We approached DJ Construction back in 1997, 1998 with a project. We wanted to replace an 8,000 square foot club that was serving about 120 kids a day with a club that was 32,000 square feet. We were really looking to expand in not only double but triple our numbers, and we really wanted to get into a major project. When you get DJ Construction, you get the whole package. I didn't have to coordinate with anybody else. I only worked with DJ, and that whole design build process makes it so much easier, user-friendly for the customer. I build kids, I don't build buildings, and DJ builds buildings, and they do it well. With the design build process, you've got an architect who works hand in hand with the construction company in the drawing stages and the customer, all working at the same table at the same time, hearing the same thing from the customer. And us being the customer, it really worked to our advantage in the planning stages. I knew what we needed. We worked with our board members to create what we thought was a beginning design or a plan of how the children would flow inside the Boys and Girls Club. We were looking to go from 120 a day attendance to almost 300 a day or 250 a day. That's a large change. And this was a very difficult build, so we didn't want anything influencing the architect. We were very impressed that when DJ came in, that wasn't their goal at all. The architect could actually come in with all of their dreams and all the things that they wanted to put their fingerprints on, so to speak, still have their creativity and be able to solve the customer's problems. And the construction company, the one that actually has to build it though, brought up a lot of key points that we both needed to know. The knowledge of the contractor and DJ Construction, what they brought to the table. You have to have good chemistry. And there was great chemistry between DJ, the architect, and us, particularly between myself and DJ Construction. There's great chemistry there. Good chemistry leads to great communication, which leads to good trust. And when that happens, you have very few change orders in the project. This was a major community build. This was a high-profile build, and everybody in the community was watching it. So DJ really had a lot of eyes. There was a lot at stake, not only from the standpoint from our membership, but also for reputation. And DJ came through because they have an excellent reputation, and so it was important that they do a good job, and they did it for the right reason. They didn't do it for reputation. They did it because we have children that are flowing through here. So they wanted to make sure that things were done right, because they're our greatest assets in the future. Now, I've been doing this 21 years. I wake up every day and I can't wait to get started. It makes it so much easier in a building like this. This already has become a national project where Boys and Girls of America has come and looked at this and taken pictures and asked for some schematics and to work with the architect, because this could be the cookie cutter for a lot of other community centers and Boys and Girls Clubs around the country. The most important part for me was not only the beginning of the planning stages, not only after it was built and the community and the media had gone away, but would DJ be responsive after the lights had gone away and after you've written the big checks and they're paid, would they still be there? And they're still there to this day. And the building's 5 years old and they're still there to this day. So very appreciative of them. No one knows the building better than DJ. They built it. So very responsive to us. And that was important. The continued work afterwards, the level of support never dropped. They exceeded the expectations. They finished ahead of schedule and under budget. So you gotta like that.